Introduction to JavaScript.
Well, town folk sure are having fun playing dice with you. But they're getting a little bit bored. They need some more action, some more excitement, some more rules. So we'll make one up where if your two rolls are equal, you get to roll a third dice and add that to your total. So far, we've been executing every command. First we do this and that, then we do this, and when we execute the function again, we do them all again. Now, however, we're in a situation where sometimes we'll want to do a certain action, in this case, rolling a third die, only when a certain condition is met. In this case, getting doubles. So, if doubles are rolled, we'll do this path through the code. And if doubles are not rolled, we'll take this path through the code. Here's the basic structure of what this looks like in code. Here we have our if, and in the parentheses, we have a statement. If this statement happens to evaluate to true, if this is a true statement, then we'll do everything inside the parentheses. However, if this statement is false, then it'll just skip to afterwards. So in both cases, it does the things before and after the curly braces. But only if this statement is true does it do the things within the curly braces. A simple example of how this works in code. Here we have the shell of an if statement, and we'll put something in there that we know to be true. For example, 3 is equal to 3. The double equal sign is testing for equality, whereas the single equal sign assigns things. So we can see that 3 equal to 3, that's true, whereas 3 equal to 4 is false. So, if 3 is equal to 3, which we know to be true, then we'll go ahead and print a statement. We'll run that, and if we did this correctly, it should print. And it did! Let's go ahead and try it with one that we know to be false. 3 is equal to 4. We're going to test it again, and it shouldn't print anything. And once again, we're correct. Let's go ahead and use the if statement in our dice rolling game. So, what we want to ask is if the first roll is equal to the second roll. And if that's true, then we're wanting to add another dice roll to total. That should do it, but we'll go ahead and add a log command to this statement so that we know exactly when it triggers. Alright, and so we'll test it out. We will play dice until someone... I got doubles. There we go. Mission accomplished. For your homework assignment, I want you to add another rule. I want you to make it so that if the total is 7, then you roll another dice and notify the user that it happened. Good luck, and I'll see you soon.